Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna, and here basically we are discussing about the currency dependence. In this, basically we discuss that basically the Bollywood group basically are playing the how dangerous role basically. But here the Bollywood group is not doing anything. Na? That one person told them they are doing the instruction basically. Then what Bollywood groups are doing? The Bollywood groups told that basically tomato what is going to generate in the environment, that for that basically set of movies basically are created. Is it clear? Then you tell yes basically. I got it clear. That movie has converted into human souls also. Now it's clear? Yes, it's clear. So tomato basically example, tomato equal to 500 movie created. Potato equal to 500 movie created. Like this, 1000 movie created. 1000 human souls created. Sorry, 1 lakh human souls created from the movie basically. 1 lakh as in that. This is going to generate to as a human basically. So in environment also basically they are basically telling that they have done the adjustment of the tomato and potato energy, which is going to generate by the 900 crore people basically. In 900 crore people basically this data basically also exists. So just see the process basically, yeah. Just see the process basically how things basically are happening, and that process basically is going to create tomato planet, potato planet. That is the thinking basically going to create in the 5 crore planet, where the human is going to have space basically going to stay. That activation basically going to happen from the earth planet basically, and their thinking basically are going to be controlled from the earth planet. So just see basically up to dangerous thing basically is, this is dangerous, not basically it's very dangerous basically. So each and everything basically which just now basically we discussed in 3-4 videos now basically, in that only basically we connected to at least basically 15 to 16 projects basically, that also very big level projects. And that I am 100% sure basically this project does not exist in the software industry basically. So in just 3-4 project basically, sorry 3-4 video basically, we generated 17 to 18 projects. That also new, that also very big level projects basically. In this basically few of projects are basically of data science project basically, who are basically into data science master basically. Those company basically can handle this project basically. Those company only can handle this because it's a big level budget project basically. But income is very big level basically, because they are going to create planet here basically, and that planet information basically you are giving, that up to what level basically thinking has been generated, which level thinking basically they have generated, they have passed the data. This whole thing basically you are going to keep in the software basically, which you are going to create basically. So it's not basically asset, data science asset basically. It's big level asset basically. So one person told that basically asset that is okay basically, then what universe group is going to give us basically? They told that basically future, they are not going to give you money basically. 100% they are going to give you money, no, basically. Without money basically how and they are going to give you the future business basically, yeah. They are going to give you the future business basically. It's not basically like that, but for example, any disease basically generated from that planet basically, then who will be giving the data basically to the doctors basically? Who will be giving the data to the blood cells data basically? Who will be giving this each and every information basically? That basically is given by the, that is given by whom, which people basically. Then he told that basically yes basically you are correct. So like this basically things basically are getting generated. So it's not so easy basically. Not so easy means it's not really not so easy basically. Things basically which is getting created. So here one person asked that basically each and every human thinking also basically is connected of earth. For example, 900 crore people basically are thinking, right? Their thinking basically is controlled by their companies. For example, Accenture software company is there basically, right? Capgemini software company is there basically, right? Then they told that basically yes, here basically. So they are basically controlling their employees. Then you told that exactly, yeah, they are only controlling their employees. They are giving the money, so they are only controlling the employees, na, basically, because they are giving the money to their employee basically. They are giving 8 lakh per 9 lakh per month to their employee project manager. Accenture basically gives 10 lakh rupees basically for their project managers basically. Software delivery head basically is more than 1 crore rupees. So like this basically they are controlling their employees basically. And they basically have certain level of companies also basically. If you are earning 1 crore rupees per month, then 100% you might be having your own software company also. So like this basically things are basically in control. Like this basically the big software company has created their path, and there basically their employees basically are creating their path. For example, Microsoft Corporation company basically, SAP software company basically, they basically have their employees basically they are giving in crores of rupees. They basically are created. They basically has created many software companies, small software companies basically. Like this basically things are basically getting controlled basically by the big software companies basically. Few people says that but the story basically of the software basically gets activate. For example, the this person basically got this many projects basically. So that basically he got activation basically on the base of business development officer. Business development officer basically are connected with set of groups basically. They say that basically connect here, connect there basically. So reason basically they know the path of the computer basically, from where basically you are going to get the project basically. So that basically we have already discussed actually long before basically what is actually this. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this all.